You seem really intelligent, dude. So, I mean, what's the ish? It's emotions, probably. Cut, like, if you're having any kind of emotions, you have to cut your trading time at one set in a setting down to no more than 30 minutes. That will stop tilt from happening because it's a cycle for me, anyways. And we're all a little bit different, but I've helped like almost 200 traders now, and it's always this cycle here. Uh, that's like a horrible depiction, but it'll work. I mean, I can't do that. That thing is just fucking disgusting. So I'm gonna go long here once it breaks the trend line. So it's a cycle, right? So let's do it like this. All right. So the trader begins trading. He trades. Everything's great. Usually, like when I start out, beginning of the day, I might take a loss or two, but I bounce back from it really quick. Nothing bad comes from it. Trades. And then 20 minutes later, takes a loss. And then this loss is aggravating. But it's not like the end of the world. You're still in control. Your stress levels are rising a little bit. Uh, it's a little bit of cortisol is being released into your bloodstream, which that then affects the way you look at the market. So already at that first loss at about 20 minutes, the way you look at the market is way different than the way you did 20 minutes ago. It's completely different. Especially if you have any other kind of outside things going on, drug use, alcoholism, fighting with your wife, any little fucking thing's gonna fucking increase your stress level and it's gonna become even worse. All right. And then this is the one that people don't stop. So at about 20 minutes from there, maybe they take a win, maybe they take a loss, and then here they're going to take a outsized loss or make a mistake that they normally wouldn't make. That's going to fucking piss them off and make them upset. It's going to result in a blown account. It's going to make you feel like you fucked up. You're pissed. So I call this the angry trade. It's my angry trade. I get pissed because I knew here I should have stopped, right? Because it's about 20 to 30 minutes. I can feel the stress. I can feel the frustration building. And that's that cortisol in your bloodstream being released. And it affects your decision making ability. And then here, when anger, what happens when you're angry? Fight and flight kicks in. What kicks in when that does? Fucking adrenaline. So now you have adrenaline and cortisol in your bloodstream. And then this is where you start the blur. I don't know what the fuck even happened. Like, how did I take 34 trades on a 1 minute chart that was just downtrending and I fucking went long every 2 points until I blew every account I had. I've done that so many times. I don't even know what happened. I'll just like be there like, oh fuck. And then my wife would be like, what happened? I'm like, yeah, I just blew all my accounts. So why didn't you stop? I'm like, I don't know. And it's that I don't know. It's because here you have cortisol, adrenaline. It's like a drug. Your perception of reality is totally fucking off the wall, gone. So once you get to that stage, you're fucked. I don't give a fuck what you do. The most important person in the world could be like, hey, you should stop. You should just put the mouse away. Just stop. But once you go over this edge here and you start trading, after this point, you're fucked. Well, I'm fucked. Like, I could be like, I don't know, someone could be like, hey, I'll give you 100 grand, bro. Just chill. And I'm so like frustrated and I want to get that back because was in such a hurry to get funded and in such a hurry to get that payout that I was hurting myself. I would just chilled for a minute. It took me a while to realize this. I would just chill. I could have been done with this so much sooner, but because it took me a long time to identify this point here, which this point for me is always at about 30, usually about 30 to 45 minutes. Not every day. Some day you could have a good day, but on average, somewhere around there of active trading. I'm not saying like putting on trade chilling. I mean like you're pushing buttons, scalping, or making decisions every few minutes. But so I don't allow myself to get to this point. I think maybe 2 weeks ago I got there pretty good. I believe I had like 7 funded accounts, and by the end of the day I had one. Until I had one funded fucking account left. And then I was like, dude, I need to fucking chill. So yeah. Get like one of those timers, man. Like those old school timers. That's what I got. And then it worked really well for Dan, man. No one under fucking understands what we go through. And one of these ones, where's it at? Yeah, like one of these ones is what I got. And a lot of you guys are like, that's not me. I already know it. I already know because I've dealt with so many people. So it's quite funny though. Most traders, because this is trading is gambling, right? It's a form of gambling. It releases dopamine just like pushing that fucking button at the fucking lottery machine. It's the same fucking thing. It's dopamine. Your brain is getting flooded with dopamine when you take a trade. Whether you win or lose, your brain is like a fucking needle in your arm. Like, whoo, you're getting that rush. So a lot of people get addicted to trading. You're a junkie. So what happens when you tell a junkie that they should quit doing heroin? I know, because I used to be one. I'd be like, fuck you. And I'm gonna ignore whatever they said. I don't give a fuck what they said. They could have said that. They could give me the best advice in the fucking world, but because I'm addicted, I'm not gonna hear a damn word of it. So most traders, when I say this, they will they'll just skip over it like I never even said it and go to strategy. They'll say like, um, oh yeah, I definitely get what you're saying. So what about this strategy though? And I'm like, whoa, hold up, man. Like I just said this, man. You need to stop trading though first, because I can give you the best strategy in the world. But if you're gonna sit there and fucking trade for an hour straight and expect to make good decisions, then it doesn't matter because you're not gonna be looking at the market correctly. You gotta think the market looks different once you're in that state. Once you're in this state here, I'd say even after this state, after you take that like first couple losses after 20 minutes, like here in this state here, you're good. But once you get into this area here, it gets a little dangerous, but you can still fuck with it. Like it's still possible. You can still make money, but it's gonna be a little bit harder. But once you're in here, the market does not look the same. It could be the clearest fucking uptrend in the goddamn world, dude. And I would short that bitch. I would look back. Have you ever had that happen where you look back and you're like, what the fuck, dude? It was a trend day up. And I was shorting every single pullback. Like, I still remember it. It's like burned in my brain the one time I did it. I was on my lunch break and, I don't know, I think there's some high impact news or something. And it was just like fucking trending down, like this, a downtrend. And I was just in here on like a 1 minute. It's back when I traded straight SMC. So I would look like for fair value gaps. I put them in my chart. I think I had an indicator actually that would put them on my chart. So there's like an indicator every couple points level. And every time it hit it and showed any kind of reaction, I went enter, stop. And it just went on like that for 40 minutes. And it was just like, it's the weirdest shit I ever experienced because I didn't know in the moment. I just did it. You know? All right, rant over, guys. I just think it's really important. I really think that's the biggest thing that you can do. It sounds simple, it sounds easy, and I know you guys are focused on strategy. I understand that. I get it, but you guys have a badass strategy. Like that back to half back is the best strategy you're gonna find, in my opinion. I don't think there's anything better. I haven't found anything better. So it is, Gunman. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, for real. No, you're good, Joshua. Share it up, dude. I'm sorry I wasn't reading it. Oh, damn, Joshua. Scalping's hard, man. It's no joke. It happens so fast, Gunman. It does, man. That's what I'm saying. That's why you know that your perception is skewed. Like, like, I don't know if you guys have done drugs, but like I used to be a junkie. So, when you do like coke or any kind of drug, really, time speeds up. Like, whoosh. That's what happens in trading too. Because even when you're losing, still your brain's just like pumping you dopamine, just like pow. But I feel it because I used to be a junkie, so I'm like, oh shit. I'll be like, whew, like I can feel a high kicking in. All right, I'm gonna short this bitch. Even when I lose, you still get a dopamine rush. Doesn't make a difference to your brain. It's the random rewards because you don't know if you're gonna win or lose. You have an idea, but we don't know for sure, and that creates that. So if you're sick and tired of blowing up, you know what to do now. You don't have any more excuses, man. It's on you. And no one talks about that. They talk about over trading, but what is over trading? So many different definitions of over trading. That could be anything. For me, I can trade as much as I fucking want as long as it's not past 30 minutes. As you guys seen on stream, fucking kill it the first 20. After that, though, it starts this like downward spiral.
All right, and that is the end of the video. This was actually on stream. I talked about this and I thought it was really impactful and powerful. It really can change your trading. It did for me. So I will see you guys in the charts. Have a good one.